do you understand like what exactly is this PSI? So we'll understand a bit about PSI, how to analyze the PSI test, dimensions of the typology, and different types of like different personality types, and what and where can we use these PSIs, right? So understand the personality systems interaction analysis, that is PSI analysis, and its importance. Study the personality typology, learn various personality types. So PSI stands for personality systems interaction. So instead of focusing on individual trait, like the most common personality test, it examines the complex interplay of different parts of human personality that collectively shape our perception, right? So it's not only the individual trait, but a combination, complex, right? Combination, collection, we can say, of different our perception, our action, motivation, and much more besides. So the goal of the PSI test is to determine your competencies and your development opportunities, right? So once you know that what your personality type is, right? So you'll know that what are your competencies and areas where you can, right, improve yourself, develop yourself. So that's how these PSI will help, right? So if we talk about like how it can be used at workplace setup, right? So we'll know the competency of each individual and those opportunity to develop the individual, right? Based on, right, the results and all. Definitely that is something which will help the individual and the organization as well. The psychologists tried to develop personality tests for a long time. In the last decades, professor in 2010, Jules Cole, carried out exceptional research at the University of Osaka to examine the existing personality theories. He linked the findings and the newest research in neuroscience and motivation psychology, right? So the neuroscience and the motivation psychology, both were linked. So as a result, the PSI theory has been developed.